What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Car Break NL, getting ready for a big one. If that intro didn't pump you up, this product will. The Cup, everybody's been waiting for it for a long time. It's always the biggest product of the year and always the most fun to open. So let's do it up. 6 boxes you're looking at here. This is a master case. We're doing 3 boxes of it. So we're going to do either the left side or the right side via dice roll here now in a second. Teams are already done. We've done teams yesterday. This one's been full now for a few days. Here is your teams. Mark is Vancouver, Terry is Colorado, Mike is Buffalo, Orv, Nashville, Chad, Philly, Adam, Winnipeg, Bob, Ottawa, Corey, LA, Bob is Carolina, Justin, Calgary, David, Edmonton, Kevin, Chicago, Mark is Washington, Jay, Boston, Blake, Rangers, Anthony's down there with Arizona, Cody, Florida, Maddie, San Jose, David, Anaheim, Logan, Detroit, Jack, Toronto, Danny, St. Louis, Chad, Pittsburgh, Blake, Minnesota, Dallas is Jordan, 2 big teams in a row there. Montreal, Leo, 3 big teams in a row. Chris, Vegas, Ryan, Tampa Bay, Anthony, Columbus, Nilson is Islanders, and Steven is New Jersey. So there's your teams. Let's do it up. You guys can do your one-on-one guesses. There's tons of one-on-ones in this product, and if we find any of them, $100 in your pocket. Spin here at Car Break NL. One-on-one player guess. Get them going. We're going to break this case open now and do a dice roll and get going. Early look at the product. Looking forward to it. There's your seal. Here we go. I will read off the serial numbers too of the ones that we're putting away. I know it doesn't make a huge deal to some people, but some people it does. So this other side of the case will be. All right, here you go. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Dice roll. Here we go, guys. The other side of this case is being opened later today. I believe it's at 9:30 tonight, so a while's away yet, but this is the early bird break. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We're breaking the left side here right now. Okay, put these ones over here. And these are the 3 we're going to be opening for later today. 6, 8, 7. I know it's tough to see. 6, 8, 7, 3, 1, 7, and 2, 8, 3. So those will be broke later today. The other side of this case, no matter what happens here, this will be the other side of that random. Now let's adjust the camera and get started. Enjoy the show. Should be a good bit of fun. Big checklist with this stuff. Even the cheap teams got some really nice cards, really nice booklets. The patches are beautiful on some of these cards. So yeah, first break of the day, we got another one 9:30 tonight. We got another one after that at 10 o'clock. And the last one of the night will be 10:30, not posted yet. So if you like what you see here and you're trying to get a spot in another cup break, we got one more that's yet to be posted. And we also got a few teams left in our Pick Your Team break. So don't miss out. Going to be fun. Oh, how can you forget, though? You can't forget on how to open the cup. I know you're just trying to take a dig at me. That's all right, man. I'd be taking a dig at me, too, if I had Arizona in this break. You can... You get one free one. I apologize for skunking you here in advance. Here we go. All right, let me finish cutting it, actually. Yeah, it might be somewhere, Tony, but not here, man. Jets go to Jets. Always have, always will. Yeah, you need a college degree to get into some of these cup cases. That's why it took me so long. All right, last one. Then we're home free. Now I kind of need a blocker here, don't I? All right, let's do it. Enough wasting time. We got Jordan Eberle, first card of the Cup release day. New York Islanders, Jordan Eberle, number to 249. 170 to 249 base. We got a two-color patch auto. Number to 249 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Chad trying to call it a 1 or 2. No prize for that one. Rookie auto patch 109 to 249. Toronto Maple Leafs. Got a nice EOE here, one of the nicest sets in the whole product, maybe after limited logos. Emblems of endorsement, 1 of 15, first one made for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Beautiful looking card. Sharp patches, top and bottom. Very nice. Tampa Bay Lightning. 1 of 15, beautiful card. Got another nice card coming up here. Rookie Foundations. All right. Colorado Avalanche, number to 15 as well. 5 of 15, Bowen Byram. Colorado Rookie Foundations. Good set, good start. Colorado. Or, good question, you have Nashville Predators. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. Two-color patch. We're back to the Toronto Maple Leafs. Two-color patch, 18 of 49. Nick Robertson. Nick Robertson. 2 Leafs. And last card here, Ian Mitchell, 89 to 249. Chicago Blackhawks. Chicago got a massive checklist on this too. All right, couple nice cards. Rookie Foundation, Bowen Byram, Emblems of Endorsement. What's up next? Let's go here. Base, Carey Price, 249, Montreal Canadiens. $249 for the Carolina Hurricanes. We got Steven Lorentz. 37, $249, 3-color rookie patch out of Carolina. 249. Nope, it hasn't been done yet. It'll be done later this afternoon. We got Vegas, 2-color patch auto, 3 of 8. 3 of 8. I'll be honest with you, I'm liking the design of the cards. I'm not liking the numbering. I know that sounds stupid, but the numbering on the card strikes me as very like robotic. I'm not a fan of it. But beautiful looking card. And they're all numbered like that, like every single numbering for some reason is right weird. Vegas, 3 of 8. Mark Stone. 17. Whoo! Sharp. We got Korshev. 17 of 36. Chicago Blackhawks. Beauty card coming up. There you go, ugly font. I can't believe me and Tony are actually agreeing on something, but yeah, we're driving the truck, the bandwagon. This font is not nice looking. 155 at 249, all-time alum. Tony, maybe there is a chance me and you could still be friends, man. Nah, who am I kidding? All right, nice one here from Splendor. Splendor's been inserted into the cup the last few years. It was a standalone product at one point. Now it's in the cup. Beautiful set. Peter Forsberg. Nice. 16 of 22. Would you believe me if I told you that is from 2018? Crazy. Still putting updates out for Splendor from 2018. Absolutely nuts. But that is a very, very nice card. Peter Forsberg, 3-color, patch auto, 22. Who had Philly? Philly. Philly's Chad, nice. And Tampa Bay for that nice EOE was Ryan. Good stuff. And last box. Short and sweet, but we got lots more of this stuff coming tonight. As I said, one is full, another one's filling up, and one's not posted yet. The one that's still filling up has 7 pick your teams left. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a thickie. All right, I'm going to go from the back here first. Quad jersey for the Yotes. God damn, I was trying to skunk Tony. First one made at 25. Schmaltz, Dvorak, Keller, Cheeseburger Phil. First made of 25. $249, 21 to 249, Sorokin. New York Islanders rookie. Keep your eyes peeled today too. Sometime in the next few hours, we're going to be running a couple minis for the last few teams left in the Cup release day. Pick your team. That is a thickie. That's a button. Tom Wilson, 249. Washington Capitals base. You know I got to take a peek. Cool. 249, 3-color rookie auto patch, San Jose Sharks. Sharks got a big checklist too. Lots of cards, lots of rookies. 207 at 249. We got a rookie button auto, 3 of 3, Mikey Anderson for the LA Kings. Check out the thickness of that card. It's almost like 2 cards in one. 3 of 3. Button auto. I don't even think I got a top loader or a one-touch big enough to fit that, but I will double check in the supply room. Try saying his name. I'll try saying your mama's name. 3 of 3. All right, last card of the break. We got a new set. This is a new set in the Cup this year. Not sure on how I feel about it, but it is a cool-looking card. Lamplighters. Daniel Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks. Lamplighter. It's like a die cut in the shape of a goal light. Vancouver. There you go. Nothing massive. Couple very nice cards. Always with the cup. But if I was a guessing man, I'd say the case hit is in that second part of that case. Daniel Sedin to end it off. So there you go. The button auto. We had the nice Peter Forsberg, Bowen Byram. Couple beauties, but I'm telling you the case hit is in the other side of that case. EOE, Rookie Foundations, Byram. We got Forsberg. Man, the lights in his office are all over the place from the windows. Forsberg, I like the late night breaks better. And Daniel Sedin. There you go. That is your case of the cup. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully we got you off the hit list. We got 3 boxes coming up later today. I'm just going to go over the serial numbers one more time there. 283. 317. This is the other side of the case, the next one. And 687. So there you go, folks. Store's open in 45 minutes. We'll see you a little bit later. Thanks again for joining us for the early bird release day cup. And we'll chat later. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.